Hey guys, Jason here. Just wanted to show you my Ender 3 3D printer. Just got it set up. It's kind of, you know, my desk is kind of messy. I haven't cleaned off a real spot for it yet. But just got it set up per the YouTube instructions, and I'm printing out the 3D dog now. It's been going, oh my back, let's see, it's been going for over an hour and 5 minutes. But I'll see how it does, but this is pretty cool, you guys, because now I can print up parts for my RCs over there. So we'll see. It's kind of dark out, or dark in here in my man cave here, but it's printing away. Let's see if we can get a closer look at that. So, if this works, I'll find out. I'll just let it go all night and see, or however long it takes. I don't know how long it takes to print one of these, but I'll just let it do its thing. And then I got upgrades for it. I got a glass, here, let me grab this. Glass print table for it. I got some, these are the stepper motor smoothers. They'll smooth out the stepper motors, give me a better print too. So I got a few things I want to try to it, and then there's all kinds of stuff you can print up for upgrading it and making it work a little better. So anyway, this is just stock out of the box. Create, what the heck do they call it? It's the Ender 3, made by Creality. So the Creality Ender 3. Anyway, I'll be printing up some parts from my Generation 8 here pretty soon. So some RC stuff, the whole interior. Alright, talk to you later. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned. We'll see what happens. Bye bye.